Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, August 29, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to kickstart my day. Got a ton of stuff to do.
Same here. I've got a big meeting this afternoon.
Oh, meetings? Always a blast. Hey, did you catch the news about that new trade deal in Europe?
Yeah, I did. It's about making trade easier between countries.
Exactly. More goods moving around could mean more sales for me.
That's true. It might also change how we plan our projects.
Yeah, I'm thinking if prices drop, I can push more products to clients.
We need to keep an eye on the details. It could affect a lot of businesses.
For sure. More deals could mean more money for us, right?
Maybe. It depends on how they set the rules.
Well, I'm hoping for the best. More business, more coffee breaks.
You and your coffee? But yeah, let's hope it helps.
Fingers crossed. Hey, did you also hear about that new app for work?
Which one? There are so many apps out there now.
It's for team chats and sharing files. They say it's really simple to use.
Oh, I saw something about that. It could save us time on projects.
I hope so. I'm so tired of digging through emails for files.
Me too. A good app can make things much easier.
Yeah, imagine no more lost documents. That's a win for me.
Definitely, tech like that can cut down on stress.
Totally. If it works, I'm all in for less hassle.
Same here. It could help us stay organized.
Hey, less mess, more time for coffee, right?
Always back to coffee with you, but yes, I agree.
Speaking of fun stuff, did you see there's a new office comedy movie coming out?
Really? What's it about?
It's about all the crazy things that happen in an office. Sounds just like us.
Maybe. I could use a good laugh after work.
Me too. I think we should watch it with the team.
That's a great idea. It'd be nice to relax together.
For sure. We work so hard, we need some fun.
Agreed. A movie night could be a good break.
Yeah, imagine us laughing at office jokes. It's like watching our own lives.
True. I wonder if they'll show someone spilling coffee.
Oh, that's me every week. I'd pay to see that.
You're funny. I'm in for the movie.
Cool. Let's plan it soon, maybe after this busy period.
Sounds good. I'll check my calendar later.
Nice. Hey, going back to that trade deal, do you think it'll make things cheaper for us?
It might. If they lower costs, products could cost less.
That'd be great. I could offer better deals to my clients.
Yes. But we need to see if it affects shipping times too.
Oh, good point. Faster shipping would help me close sales quicker?
Exactly. It's all connected in the end.
Yeah, business is like a puzzle. Gotta fit all the pieces.
True. I'll read more about it later to understand the impact.
Good idea. Let me know if you find anything interesting.
Will do. I like to stay updated on these things.
Hey, about that app, do you think it'll work with our old computers?
I'm not sure. We might need to check with IT.
It always takes forever. I just want it to work now.
Patience, David. They'll figure it out.
I guess. I just hate waiting when I'm swamped with work.
I get it, but a good tool is worth the wait.
True. I just hope it's not too hard to learn.
Most apps are easy these days. You'll get the hang of it.
Hope so. I'm not the best with tech stuff.
Don't worry. I can help if you get stuck.
Thanks, Alex. You're the best.
No problem. We're a team, right?
Totally. Hey, back to that movie. Do you think it'll be as funny as the old office shows?
Hard to say. I like the old ones a lot.
Me too. They always got the office drama just right.
Yeah, the awkward meetings and weird bosses. So real.
Exactly. I've had bosses like that for sure.
Same here. It's funny to see it on screen.
Yeah. It's like they're spying on us too accurate.
Maybe. I'm curious to see the new one.
Same. Let's make it a plan with the team soon.
Deal. It'll be a nice way to unwind.
Hey, speaking of unwinding, this coffee break is almost over.
Yeah. I need to get ready for that meeting now.
Same. Got a bunch of calls to make. Don't work too hard, okay?
I'll try not to. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. Catch you later.
See you later.
Time to get to work. don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.